Assistant coach at Dema Dream Chelsea, Wolford Dortmund. Also, Wakasa say Dreams for sending West ya picking for me. More the Diama Beckham one, I'm a Diama na.
Well, we are seriously preparing for this game because we know that this game is not going to be an easy game. Midiama are also former winners so far as the Ghana Premier League is concerned, and therefore we are leaving those two on 10. We want to make sure that we play our best players forward. We want to make sure we play on the front foot. We want to make sure that we attack them and try to get some breakthrough.
As the head coach of Vision FC, now actually, how many hearts of folk and Abesia can give no any subketwa? Nana Natsiman, yeah, Bissau, Nana, send a game no presses, Yabam. Why you ready? What about me as a heart of folk, dear?
I mean, we all know Hearts of Oak is one of the biggest clubs in Ghana. A very experienced side, a side that has played the Premier League for me ever since I was born. So you cannot play Hearts of Oak and feel comfortable in your shoes. You need to work extra hard to pick a point from them. So if you're playing home and you want the 3 points, then you need to work extra hard to be able to do that. They are way ahead of us. They've got a huge following, and I know that their fans are going to fill our stadium. But of course, it's also our home ground, so we expect that we're going to go all out, give them a game for them to remember, be able to pick 3 points, and be able to climb up on the league log. So I
club so che vision bebre enti buoni ni die bia wo so de mo bia mbaye omnim sa to folk supporters ne ba beta club ro echi abrom vision e bo ne bom omde mo se boss game omde ma heart to folk no omure feed heart to folk for mu re feed da cranes coach wo ka game no asamanka sa wanka so approach for the game no eh den ha.
I think that we're going to play vision football. We're not going to change the way we play at home. Because it's Hearts of Folk now. Almost everybody that we've gone to, I mean, we went to Nations, we lost. Nations came to us, we played our brand of football. It's going to be an attacking brand of football. We're going to be able to either attack with our 3-2-5 or 2-3-5, be able to put more men in the box.
Vision football, fishing ball. Hey, very much. I say, someone was from the enhancing ball. Vision for them, some from the vision ball. And one on Bebo almost what I say. You have to focus where and I better just say Hearts of Folk, Black Stars goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. When you extended contracts, you know, at the Hearts of Folk until 2027. Esemu say Ekobase club will be a song na omdisi kapudu obi badia na afi agreements na koso na afi Hearts of Folk ja yenu equal. But for now, he has extended until 2027. I think that Hearts of Folk, my dear papa. I love that. I love this approach. My yeah. And Hearts of Folk and so I don't know. What him say now? What he Asante Kotoko any Bechem United and Ebo Bechem United coach sets wire and I'll say our message and so at the man of supporters, you know.
Well, last at now the new bad. We should be a dana bet. I see it me climb ladder on a bus kakra. I think say a target for the season, no, for me, no. Say if we come in the top 4, no, I think say near bad, right? Chasing the title, no, it will be very difficult. The players not responded to training, and Osha Kotoko a big team, and for the past 4 or 5 matches, you know, Omunusu game, and yeah, boy, home then, yeah, prepare very well. They know so Yashomo has say, and possible. Unusu home, and that doesn't mean say Unusu home. No, if you want to home, but for the past 5 games, you know, Unusu home grounds also. We are doing everything possible, say, if it's me points or near the other. No, but you know the pressure in here so.
I know I am some set wire and so eka na for Asante Kotoko so go so ewo adewo ja some ketwa na say project no matter say musu egu so kakra nti no say ehon niama ana etwegu no yesi mini astrotev no so sumu adwuma mo yo no ɛno nso so gu so nkakra nti ɛno ɛne ho nneɛma ɛna atwa go ɛwɔ television so nti Asante Kotoko nkɔmmɔ kakra ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛna mede ɛto dwa ɛnso ɛde ma wo na kae sɛ Black Stars yɛbɛka kyerɛ sɛ nyame adom a next month May ɛkɔ UK akɔbɔ ball 4 nation tournament na venue no ɛna na aka ɛsan sɛ you already know sɛ Ghana and Nigeria bɛbɔ Jamaica for and so ɛbɛbɔ mo game mo ne TNT ɛbɛbɔ na mom venue no say ɛyɛ confirmed sɛ yɛbɛbɔ no wɔ Brentford for a stadium wɔ nti ɛhɔ ɛne yɛbɛbɔ so G-Tech Community Stadium ɛwɔ London ɛhɔ ɛna tournament no mini tournament no and also ɛbɛkɔ so
Eno said ye city away a vision FC for mu jamano na chese hu se eno som etimi etwa guno na mepacha uram ewo team my fan heart of German Asare enso som etimi extending a contract 2 years at the amatima your friend Sakrato folk ana chese eshem se echina bi sa offer biba na mpanimfo hwe na offer na emu da ho a onbejama Benjamin Asare akonom mpanimfo so etimi a release press release and so that ba abonten and so etimi ho na we no saying it here Akrato folk sporting club PLC press release na headline no and I say enyanimu no Benjamin Asare extends his contract with Heart and said no so AC etiano na obasi or say the board and management of Akrato folk PLC pleased to inform all Phobians and the general sporting public that our goalkeeper and Black Stars goalkeeper Benjamin Asare has signed a 2-year contract extension with the club. Asare, captain of Hearts of Folk, signed the new 2-year contract extension this morning after a fruitful discussion with the club board of directors. Since joining the club from Great Olympics last season, Asare has made a positive impact on the team, contribution immensely to Heart's success story so far this season when earned him a place in Ghana's senior national team, the Black Stars, where he is currently their first choice goalkeeper. Asare comes around with high goalkeeping aspect and good leadership qualities which have made him a standout in the Ghana Premier League. The executive board chairman Togbe Afrede the 14th praised Asare for his positive attitude on and off the pitch, his leadership qualities, and his general contribution to the team. He wished him well and encouraged him to continue to exploit for the rest of the season and beyond whilst working for Hearts and Black Stars. He urged his teammates to emulate his character and work diligently for success. After penning his signature to the contract extension, Asare expressed his delight for the opportunity offered him at the club and confidence reposed in him by the club. I feel excited to have been given the opportunity to play for one of the biggest clubs in the world football. Heart of Folk has lifted my image, and the only way to repay the confidence they have shown in me is to extend my contract, play my heart out for the team, to contribute positively and work to success for this team, I will urge my teammates to remain focused and give their all to continue to work for the success for the team, signed has management. And so any friend press release had to focus company for and so etimi ede ababonten kama efa Benjamin Asare also contract extension omo twem say enonopa na te say Benjamin Asare so etimi twe pen SAP so extend the contract no and so etimi edema tima ye friend say eye akrato folk ebra na te say omo so no anyi na hia edi enkoma che se emuta ho emohwam enso so etimi ahwie no na che se player no enso etimi sign contract no enso edema team a friend se akrato folk na che se omo chem se bra Benjamin Asare free great Olympics ebe piem enso ewa team a ye friend se eye akrato folk no ye se nyema ono so etimi ye nyuma pa ono so etimi bo edema club no eno krampo no etima kowie ma sese no uram or the Black Stars of Ghana just waka national team no ana face so no almost so number 1 goalkeeper Benjamin Asare or the Black Stars of Ghana so 18 ho na just almost uram Benjamin Asare o share aye o kandini na ho fama se o kandini e team a friend say akrato folk match say e dey say so na enwachi na say aye board chairman executive board chairman Lima Heart of Folk Togbe Alfred the 14th and so ebekasa ne nsem ne so no ebo Benjamin Asare abaso efa aye ne nyuma pa na say ne suban pa a ono so dan adi enso so e agropama so ene bright say anya agropama so no on and off the pitch and so oban abaso ana face so no ne nyuma pa ono so ebo edima team a friend say akrato folk no o mane mono yo afi so wasa hye ne nkra ne say wonko so na afa ne djuma pa ono so edima team a ye friend say akrato folk no wonko so na wanye ema Heart Folk this season any afi ni mfie dodo aka enso ewe team a friend say akrato folk no won hwe so na afi no wonko enkodan afi so no wo pa eye ne teammate ni nyina akyem say omo so enhwe na afi ne djuma pa ono so ekoma ade ebo ema club amache club no ewien enkunimdie no omo so enkoso na afi no omo so entimi nsua bi na eno achi na chese Benjamin Asare enso eba be kasaye na Benjamin Asare so ono de odo wakanya na say oda Heart Folk for ase onani so etimi ache ewo eye akwanya Heart Folk for mpanifo enso etimi edema no amane be sia kan ewo ye kasa wiase clubs ache se eso a Heart Folk enso etimi eka ho no ama ono so etimi be sia kan wom ama eno enam so ama ono Benjamin Asare abeye sede ono so esitie a chese obi ahu Benjamin Asare no na ono de da wakana se de obetimi ada Heart Folk ase enyina ne se ono so betimi extend the contract no enso etimi ede ama club ye friend say aye akrato folk na obeyi na komam enso so etimi ede asom tima ye friend say aye akrato folk ewo akoma pam en afeso so no work sai ekam enso ede ache aye ne teammate no opom nyina achew so omoso ntimi moa na obetima e bia omontimi enye na afeso no omoso entimi enfam watim no na tim no enso entimi mfa no tomapa enso entimi mfrente no sede ne so entimi ti a ye je ewonsam eba na me pata uram awani e fa ne se Benjamin Asare so manager ono so etimi akasa na Benjamin Asare manager no the din ede sasa eye tego na ne nsam a waka ne se wose eba ate Benjamin Asare krampo no of great Olympics ebe pm our club ye fan Heart Folk no na our contract ewo ne ye fan se Djibouti ede ma Benjamin Asare na mom no ase Benjamin Asare no enso me send 2 years contract ema team ye fan se akrato folk na Benjamin Asare contract extension kwa no wasa dimuti ntima enkotie sade manager tego enso edituja.
I just spoke to him. I told him before even he left Olympus for Heart Folk, I had a deal for him in Djibouti.
In where?
In which?
Sorry.
In Djibouti.
Djibouti, okay.
Djibouti. Yeah, they wanted him very, urgently. But I spoke to him. I sat him down. I spoke to him and I told him, look, this is your career. I cannot stand in your way. I just want the best for you. For you to go to Djibouti and come back to Ghana whilst the window is closed, I prefer you signing for Heart Folk for 2 years. And then after 2 years, just give me 1 year of a very good goalkeeping prowess, and I promise you, the sky is just going to be the limit. And he just took my word, signed for 2 years, and this is where we now see Benjamin Asare. He's somebody who has done marvelously well. He has earned his call up into the Black Stars. 2 games, clean sheets, 8 goals. It tells you this is somebody that Ghana has been waiting for a long time, and his time is now. After the 2 games, Chad and Madagascar, the management of House of Folk just spoke to me that they want a contract extension. And I said, okay, fine. I mean, for me, I'm not going to allow the player to leave like how other players left Accra House of Folk, and everybody was just talking about them. No, I don't believe in. I believe in something that is right, in the right moment for him to leave. So we did a contract extension, and he's there till 2027. He's just going to follow his contract until a club comes up and then speaks to House of Folk, and then we just get the right price, and then he moves. That's all.
Absolutely.
And so Benjamin Asare manager Sasa Teko. Then so a so to judge and some and so 8 mano actually coach friend say Abubakar Watara head coach and a team friend say Accra Folk. Now after that the man say opinion he say player friend say Benjamin Asare why stand no contract and a team friend say Accra Folk as a coach one year. And also we're very, very, very happy with a contractor as a Benjamin Asare Astende Ete Amatime Fan Hatofo Kentie Coach Abubakar Watara.
I'm happy, very, very happy, and Benjamin Asare is being with us after 2 seasons again to stabilize that position. We need a goalkeeper who have the discipline, the talent, and is teaching, helping the 2 young goalkeepers are there. For me, come on.
A coach Watara and somebody to Johnny they want some and so at me I'm not me pacha uram I want your friend say Watara so e obi ma ebusa na say okobo atiatima your friend say Vision FC almost so kasa na o message be na woko e de ama Vision and I say Heart of Folk e fans na say ana Watara e de tuja.
I just calling my fans to come and support the team. The fans who are coming to support us. I know from Ashama, Tema, some of our supporters are coming for Sugar Copy to come and support the team. Let me tell you, all the 9 matches as of folk we have is the fair now. It's the tough matches. As of folk, we need to prepare yourself more than 140%, 50%, because all the things we are going to meet are good. We are preparing yourself for that.
After that, the business say no. Overall, how to focus in this situation that to say players did what say, and I just almost so out of the game and also 8 me basso Namboa Sunday. No,
everybody is okay. We are ready to play that match after we travel again. These are so folk. The players are well. We have 1 or 2, 3 players. I don't know if you can play Alidu particularly. Hussein, I'm looking, is 60%. Ramsey, I think, is out. That the rest of the players are there. We have 1 red card, Mankwa. The rest of the players are there. Hamza also, we can get him. He's part of the game, eh? Yes. He is part of the game. We have the good scrapers.
Jano Watara and Samakisa also, ultimately, we don't some 8 men. Emati if I don't know what you say Emmanuel Manquade or no name say what red card and so I feel say it's Sudia se player it didn't and so near finish Ahmed Ramsey and so it make an injury update in one yes you break you be down and so at me at the amateur for na Isa Kuka and so a player the team finish Vision FC na Isa Kuka so at me akasa Vision for the almost kasasa na Isa Kuka si we no a normal game that's almost so 8 me equable at your friend say a Accra Folk Amoko for win.
Oh, it's interesting because that's where I started, and then I've known the Asare game, and then it's a normal game. I know that for the perception for the training ground, what I'm seeing, I know say maybe for the hard work, maybe the 3 points we can get. It's a normal game for us.
Playing against Asante Folk is going to be very tough, especially when they are one of the sides who are chasing for the league title. You think Vision FC is well prepared? You've got everything to beat them on Sunday.
Yeah, they are also for which we are Vision, and then the Vision even shows like we are going to beat them. Actually, it's a normal game, and I know that from my fans, I would tell them is to just keep on supporting us, and then by the end of the day, I know say the 3 points we get it for them, and then we move on.
Are you going to get your first goal for Vision against us?
It's the game that will show, and I know say by all means I will put effort to make my first goal for the season.
Okay, but are you a bit worried about the goals not flowing at Vision FC for now? Because at RTU you kept scoring.
So I'm sure. Yeah, for that one, I'm sure. But I know everything. Football is season. If it's your time, that's how it is. It will just flow without even expected, and that's how it is. Football is that's how it is.
You expect a good game on Sunday.
Oh, inshallah, I know say it will be a good game for us, and then by the end, the 3 points is for us.
All right, thank you.
Enom Isaku kanen semakra wano som etimi eri atuja yama wasom enso etimi atibi na yetwa so dia mepate nwura mo bechem nyenkodi enkomo akra enso ewo bechem emra sisi a opiem ewo bechem United am goalkeeper enso eni efone se Aziz Dari Haruna na nsam a waka se wase nyampo omene Kotoko ana ebo Sunday na wase de waka amo bia so atene se omo well prepared ate so mo wo hu ye pomo siesie omo hu ye amo so betime hia time fene se Asante Kotoko entie nsema Haruna Dari Aziz Erituja
very well, but you can say last 3 matches and I say point in 3 matches, but I know discourage and so we are prepared very well for this match and you are ready for every positive thing there. Match like Asante Kotoko now the man of the match, very great and you are ready and you are prepared for the next match and I think it's a very tough match, but I am ready for every match we are facing here. I can say the pressure that me go matches I mean from my dream course I will be competing for clean sheet. Every and say me my best for the team and the way we are team very winning and how intense our training this city and how prepared our boys next year. I think I are prepared very well for this match and inshallah the points we work some fan pie bonne support entire team.
Tionom ensama kono so etima kanom and ye de wonsam eba Legon Cities Oshe League table Ghana your Premier League boy amata Legon Cities na man koye mo kra na ochi mo so ne team e fene se eye Samates ana ebo ana wura mo so a Alidu Mohammed player de team e fene se Legon Cities ana wase watch mu se Oshe Legon Cities for now they how mo pa ne se omo ewo wo a new players omo do so pa enso ewo team eno eka ho ana chese no ha team e fene se Legon Cities afeso no wasa mu se owuram I ne fence Legon City so game against Samates no omo so betima awini na wase esis dua say Legon Cities ebe avoid relegation this season yentie Alidu Mohammed
yo pa na binti cry brand say players ni bebre new players but I feel no more bad game still Abraham we still waiting.
Okay, yeah, but move against Samates this weekend. Win.
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 Now
Ubiansu.
Win.
And then I'll catch Legon City's fan.
I catch Legon City's fan say you league near the home still avoid the relegation.
Former player de team e fene se Asante Kotoko ati se ni din edi Enoch Morrison ko piam enso e wo ma fene se Kenya ati se ono som etimi si akan e wo ho na me pacha oni akoso ni se wase se no ubram e wo Kenya ati se Kenya fo no enso e pese Enoch Morrison enso esi akan edima Kenya fo mo national team na o se ono de e bra mo tse mo enso so e de letter e betu nanim ati se mo den kata ne bo no so ka se dabi o so na one na busuam enso ebedwen ho ewo Ghana nsa na tse so mo take decision se onkobo enso ema Kenya de ono so betimi akobo na mom no ankono pa de ne pem ni sanka ono enso ebesi akan ede ama omai kunkuno Ghana eno enso former player de team e fene se Asante Kotoko Enoch Morrison sam
dia na omode bo abaso ni adia ba obo na abo ni Kenya no omno wadi nkomo bi se consider omo national team na because fans no omodo mo okromode hu pa o
Nyeyize osha mensa otimi mo say dia ye kika ko ho kaka travel ye she ebusa every patient ye me de nkomo de omo ni media omo de krata nya but meguso eja sa decision ni nya me nko am decision we say me make enti me ne mpenifo bi omo me chia ni megusa fo kasa ye na omo se me nya aboche na me mbra Ghana ye ball league ni na me ba Ghana na ya tena na ya hwe the way I bet me I decided on that. But I know the more than crowd in Yaba, Macom Federation one twice on the same discussion. But me in America, men are Mahodio Modan Kakra, me share, me bagana na me bush and focus, any focus, and I share decision I bet me take here. Ebeboa in here.
Na Morris, what dream no? Obabani fear for about being called, a cow and cabba one.
Media Minyan Kamebo, Mebo Fee. Ede minya opportunity ne dia kamebo amefie because bibia anya de say bia ogbo waka supposed to ogbo baba yara na obusia for stance wadam for stance no as I say even though it's a mebo ha enya ban but I don't have family here me ne busia for me ne adam for am na mo sha brabo ase but Ghana anka menya sa feeling menya sa odo no enti media it has always been my dream say mebo ama Ghana but say a situation in there shall be a we no corner ya bomb says one day yes a many opportunity no but for now the decision be a go through here but yeah sure.
Last time na yeni agara sidin komono
na watwi mo sume pacho Ghana Premier League no matches ni bi enso 8 eba so we no match day 27 officials no etimi aba na ene Friday, and we Friday night football. Tima, if I say Metiama SC, any team if I say Dreams FC na Deponi, Ewa Takwati and A Stadium. Referee Aya Mauli Crew and assistant in Aya Kofi Nyako Bekai and Afe Gabriel Boatin. Omashama game and so etimi abaso Afe Nyamboachina Aya Saturday, 12 April 2025. And Aya Accra Lions, any team if I say Basake Holy Stars, Ewa Accra Sports Stadium referee Nathan Anafo Anafi Laiwano Tijani Mohammed line 2 Sulemana Salil Dane and Subashama game na team akoso Sunday 13th April me pacha no 2025 na Asante Kotoko any team finish Bichem United Baba Sports Stadium no Joseph Kofi center referee assistant Lawan Richard Nati and line 2 no Ernest Akate and Subaba Dr. Moro Osman fourth referee na official me pacha team finish Vision FC and had to folk bebo ni J Kreku the second sports complex Gideon ni Kofi center referee line 1 James Osafo and line 2 Bless Awazi fourth referee Maxwell Hansen and so shama game na timi akosom na Afekara United any team ye finish Adriana and so etimi abo our Alidu Mohammed Sports Stadium referee Jacob Adontara assistant Lawan Theophilus Akugri and line 2 set Ableton and so El Hafi team finish Brekum Chelsea any Heart of Lions nya ye finish Golden City Park no Brekum Maxwell also center referee line 1 Emmanuel Dolagbanu and line 2 Peter Dausa and so hama game na timi akoso afewuram and so bibiani Gold Stars any team ye finish Young Apostles Ebony bibiani Dance Park referee Rostom Gamali Sognabe and afi line 1 no Kwasi Brobe and line 2 Roland Ade ebehwema game na etimi akoso na Lagos Cities and FC Samates etimi apo Tuba Astro Telephone so Gabriel Poku Ahen center referee line 1 Paul Atimaka na afi uram enso so ade no finish line 2 no Joshua Agbo fourth referee Hasim Yakubu ebehwema game no so etimi akoso kama yade ehon nsam no enso etimi na me pacha no wuram enso so ewani ayefane se Ernest Niama enso so aswe our club efane se me pacha Leona na chese Niama so no enso etimi ekoso na chese enra na Leon for elbow game na player efane se Musa Niakete and so etimi so player friend say Ernest Niama ni Jesse and so etimi our samo bia so etimi hunu nya na support our so edima player friend say Ernest Niama bra ono so etimi akonya ACL atisa ono so etimi planom enti enra Europa League game Leon etimi boy no Musa ni akete na hu so wapaja player friend say Ernest Niama ni Jesse and so etimi akosoro kama yede ehon nsam no and so etimi eba na bibia so no etima kosi Ghana Premier League no ese hwan ana etimi enye easy Asante Kotoko bibia no Gold Stars Nations FC and Heart of Lions omo matches aka and a desk screen is not subscribe, share, for comment no, and so 8 comment section. Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok, Charles Ado on Facebook, on Sa and so 8 akaye. Nya bibia so no 8 akroso yakramo.